Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Master Lab. In today's video, we will discuss about sessions. So what sessions are and why we need them, how to use sessions in CodeIgniter 4 without CLI or Composer, storing them, retrieving them, Flashdata for temporary messages and destroying the sessions. What is a session? A session is a way to store the data across the multiple pages. It helps maintain user authentication, track user activities and store temporary data in CodeIgniter 4. Sessions are handled easily without requiring CLI or Composer. Let's see how we can implement that. Before that, what we have covered till now, let's do a recap. Till now, we have completed in our app folder the concept of config, few files in config, where we have already seen the boot, where development, production, testing, we have enabled debugs and all. So that sessions is completed. Second will be your controllers we are using. Next will be your database, migration seeds, filters, auto filter, helper function we have completed. Languages it's not completed. Libraries we have taken a faker library. Models is done. Third party is also done, and views concept is also clear. Third party we have not used yet, so we have used library. So third parties we need to use, and libraries how to use your language, that is also pending. So let's go to sessions in app config. Sessions are stored as CI sessions and expiry will be your in second 7200 by default it is mentioned, and all the sessions are stored in your writable path. Okay, in writable path you will find a folder where you can go through the sessions files which are stored. Okay, so here we will also see cache everything in these folders. Uploads, logs already is done, so few logs we have created, so we will discuss on logs as well. So sessions, uploads, everything will be covered in this series of video. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will go to our controller. In this, in our last video, if you can see, we have set the session with the ID, just ID. Now let us store the array of user what we have retrieved it. Okay, so to set that, just session set user, this is array, you need to pass it out. That's it. I've changed the dashboard to articles, so just I'm renaming those things, and let us open the article page. Now if you can able to see the article page, let's open in our local host. Let's on the Apache. Once it is on, then we navigate to the what we call our page login. Let's log in first. You're getting error. Okay, fine, user is logged in. Now you can see we'll show a flash message over here or a messages whatever we have stored in a session. So for that we will just go to Bootstrap website, official website. There we will collect a simple template of or a code of alert, okay, to display your flash messages. So once it is taken, I will place it over here, and let's see how it looks in our view page. Great. So you can see like it's showing everything with a primary color. Now what we will do, we will first display our ID, okay, in this alert. So we have not kept echo, so let's keep echo so that it gets printed, and you can see that session ID is stored and it is being displayed. Okay, next we'll display our array. For that you need printer, and if you want to display any particular name or email ID, just add those values, you can retrieve them. Okay, for session get is the method with which you can retrieve them. Session set is a method with which you can set the data. Now I also want to display flash data whenever the user logins, welcome username. Okay, for that what I'll do, I'll set a keyword like success. Whenever I get a success, then I'll display welcome user. That's it. So The method to use is set flash data, and to method to retrieve that flash data is get flash data. Okay, now we'll not use has id or not. So if it is having id, then every time this flash message will get appeared, so we'll not use that. We will use, instead of, we'll use get flash data. If there is any flash data of kind success keyword, then we need to display that. Okay, so we'll use success because it's green color, so it's success now, so green color, so I'll use that. Let me reload it. We can't able to reload it. We can't able to see that. Let me go to our articles page and let me just navigate through that. So we'll get the login page. So once we log in right now, you can able to see that we are getting a flash message. If I reload it once again, then this flash message will not be appeared. It will be appeared only once. So that's the reason that we use the flash message to display alerts or something like that only once. So this is how you can use your sessions. To destroy the session, you need session destroy. These are the things which you need to know in the sessions. All the sessions are mentioned in your writable folder. You can see there was only one, now it's been created twice. 2 more sessions has been created. All the sessions are stored over there. So that's all for today's video. You have learned how to use CodeIgniter 4 session without CLI or Composer. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in next video.